So I'm going to show you something very interesting about this x-ray. What's interesting about this x-ray is we kind of picked this up on the physical exam when we first saw this patient, but then we took an x-ray to confirm it, because whenever you're going to do something to put something inside a shoe, like a shoe lift, you want to make absolutely certain that you're not just seeing things. Now this x-ray right here is a person. It's very important when you take x-rays to have the x-rays taken standing up. That's what erect means right there. So I'm going to go through this with you. I'm going to go up close here. So what we're looking at here is a person's left side right here, and then their right side. Now what I noticed was when the patient came in on the left side, their hip was rotated like this. So this would be called an IN ilium. And then what ended up happening was this side right here was 4 millimeters shorter than the other side at the legs. Those are called the trochanters. And the person then, their spine right here kind of went over to the right hand side. So in this particular case, the IN ilium, by correcting that IN ilium, and there's a posteriorly rotated sacrum here, what ends up happening is I'm probably going to be adjusting on the patient the PL sacrum right there. That will actually take care of some of this leg length discrepancy. When it does that, there's no need for a leg length shim inside their shoe. Very often a person will see that one leg is shorter than the other and actually try to put a shoe lift or a lift, heel lift inside the shoe on this side. It will raise the femur up, but it won't correct the underlying biomechanical problem. Sometimes x-rays really don't give you much more value than a good physical exam, and sometimes they can confirm things that you see on a physical exam. That's what happened in this case. So I'm not going to put a lift inside the shoe, and we're just going to do probably a PL sacrum and see how the patient does. I suspect they'll probably do very, very well. So if you thought this video was interesting looking at x-rays, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can ask. If you want to become a Patreon, go ahead and there's a link down below. You can become a Patreon. If you have any questions, you can ask me and I'll make a video just for you. And also, if you'd be so kind as to just share my videos with others through social media, such as Facebook and Instagram, things like that, I'd greatly appreciate it.